Orson Welles Dracula is a world premiere production on stage now at the Raven Theater at Clark and Granville in Chicago. If your idea of summer fun included telling spooky tales around the campfire or listening to audiobooks during your cross-country road trip, you might enjoy beginning the fall theater season with Brian McKnight's exciting onstage adaptation of Orson Welles' 1938 radio drama based on Bram Stoker's 1897 novel, Dracula. Just in time to prepare your mind for Halloween, the talented Glass Apple Theater cast weaves an ominous adventure of suspense, centered around the identity and mysterious intentions of the pale-faced, ruby-lipped Transylvanian Count, Dracula, who drives Jonathan Harker nearly insane and his dear wife Minna to the edge of her grave. Meanwhile, Dr. Seward reaches out to the more experienced Dr. Van Helsing in a desperate attempt to understand what malady affects the fragile Lucy Westenstrom. There's an eerie old castle, a graveyard, an endangered ship at sea, and a number of strange boxes with their curious content that needs to be puzzled out in order to save the country from the bloody curse of the undead. Sounds like a CNN broadcast. This world premiere hybrid radio drama is performed in evocative 19th century period costumes in front of projected backwall images, adding an added level of dimension to this narrated drama. The cast includes Andrew Bosworth as Dracula, with Connor Brennan, Chris Jensen, Madeline Logan, Sam Martin, Katie O'Neill, and Howard Raik. Orson Welles Dracula is on stage at the Raven Theater, 6157 North Clark Street, Chicago, through September 25th, 2022. Running time is 80 minutes with no intermission. Ticket information is available at glassappletheater.com. This is Reno Lovison, executive producer at ChicagoBroadcastingNetwork.com, reminding you to comment, like, or share this podcast. And don't be afraid to contact renoweb.net for marketing advice or assistance with your audio or video needs.